Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create the blog posts and which is from the block editor, which is default builder in the WordPress. So WordPress gives us the default builder, which is called as block editor, which is also called as Gutenberg. So let's get started. First you need to check on this XAMPP, click on the XAMPP, and you need to start the Apache and MySQL services. Then minimize it and let's type the localhost WordPress WP admin. Okay, you just enter this, and you need to add the logins which I had kept in the last video. So let's log in. You can just click on this reminder me. Okay, then you will get to this dashboard. So I have shown you this dashboard in the last video. So here's the dashboard, and first we need to go to this setting and the permalinks. Just click on this, and you need to set this permalink structure to post name. Okay, just click and save changes. Here is the setup, and let's get to this general tab. You can add the site title, tagline, whatever you want to. Okay, and just save changes here also. So first we get to this post tab, and let's create a post. Just click on add post. Okay, you can just or I'll just back it, and let me open this in a new tab, and you can add the title here. Learn WordPress with me. Okay, and let's add this, and this is the block editor. You can see here is the block editor, and from here you can change the font color and font types, and here is also a background color you can choose, and you can select, and size is also there, and dimensions. Let's click on this, and padding, margin. Okay, padding, margin. What is padding and margin? Let's get to one site which is called as Flipkart. Okay, let's click on this, and let's click on this. Okay, here is the I'll show you the parts of the websites. Okay, now this is the header. Okay, which has the logo, the search bar, and the login buttons and card buttons, and become a seller buttons. Okay, this is the header, and whatever content is here, which is called as body. So in the body we can have all the content, and last one is the footer, which has the logo, or maybe you can add the details over here, which is called as footer. Website is mainly divided into three parts. One is header, body, and footer. Okay, and we are talking about the padding and the margin. Okay, I'll show you a little bit here, and I'll show you what's the padding and margin in the while creating a post. Just let me explain this, and okay, here is the box. Okay, this is the man's slippers and a flip, whatever this is. The inner one, which has the space, which is called as a padding. Okay, and the outer one is called as margin. You will get to know when we create the posts, and when we create the pages in the WordPress site with the builders. So for now we can just create the post with the block editor, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's add the content to our blog post, and let's click on WordPress, and we will find the content here. Create a blog. Let's find the content. Okay, uh, this is the content we can create like this. like this. This I will show you in upcoming video. So let's add the content here. I'll just copy it, and here is the type and choose the block. You can click on plus and paragraph is here. Just click on this and done. You can control V. Okay, you can change the size from here. Yes. Okay, this is fine, and you can have it in the pixel rem or pixel. You can choose pixel and just add 16 pixel or 15 pixel is fine. And you can change the color of the text. You can change it to yellow, black. You can change where it takes, and you can change the background of this text to yellow. See, here it is. Okay, and let's add an image on this blog post. We can choose from pixels. This is the free site you can uh, choose and download the images from. Let's click on pixels. Okay, free photos. Let's close this, and you can choose. You can search WordPress. Let's see what else the images. Okay, this one is fine. You can free download, and you can rename it, or you can just add. You can just click on this, and you can add image and media library if you don't have. Oh, okay, we have one image. You can take this from here, or you want to upload. Click on this and choose from here. Okay, I'll just choose from media library and just click on this and select. Okay, this is the picture we have now, and if you want to add two blocks on this post, then you can add it. And if you want to align this in a center, you can just click on this align text and center. Okay, this is the thing. And if you want to add the two columns, then click on here and plus icon, and we will browse all. Here one panel will be shown. So let's click on this column. If you want one column, you can take it, and if you want two columns, you can take. Different types of columns are there. You can choose from and click on this. And if you want two columns, you can choose and just click on plus icon. And in the first side, we will have the image media library. Just click on this and select, and in this we will have the paragraph, and we can just take paragraph of this only. So I'm just showing you how to add the paragraphs and all, and here it is. And you can make it, or from here you can take it as a 15 pixel. And if you want to center this, and you can center this. Okay, align center. You can also change the columns here. If you want to make it left center, then you can make it left center. And then if you want to align it at the center, then you can choose the column and just click on this and align middle. Okay, if you align this at the bottom, then it will align it on the bottom, and just click on align middle, and it is done. Okay, let's take a look at this. And you need to publish the blog. Just publish and click on publish and view post. You will see the blog post has created. Okay, you can make it full width from there. So like this we can add many contents and all. And you can, if you want to edit the post, then you can just click on edit, and here we go. You can edit and add the text from here. And if you want to check all the widgets from here, this is called as This is called as widgets. These are all the widgets. You can look into this and you can just add the gallery. If you want to show the many of the images, then you can add the gallery, and if you want to add the video, then you can add upload from your media. And also you can add many of the things here, whatever um, you see here. Just explore these widgets, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to create the pages from the builder, which is Elementor, which is very popular builder in the WordPress. So see you in the next video, and follow me for more. Thank you.